CCTV Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors ka jaka dekali ka bathamai jong ka Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bat ka net foodish ordan mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi
Menteri Kesorkar Pedeng Ubapet Yakatnat Puli Putih Dharmendra Pradhan Ulahab ban hiar ka kali bani keren bekinoy lam jong ka Khasi Students Union kat bau dang temu bani Asia Menta ha ka jingpen kup buram ya ki samla puli ka skul ba nihu ka balalong ha ka sngi sajan ka arpoi terik ujemang arajar arpuar ki dekhot ka ki isu ki bayalum ha plau jong skul ba nihu kila pertasla ya ka jingpen slam Kesorkar India ban pentrikam ya ka airline permit ha kini ke jela Meghalaya bat bandawaru pada benom pentrikam ya ka Citizenship Amendment Act ha kini ke jela ha kini ke juk sngi sashi kan hun kinong tray ke skul ba nihu ki badan hapok syatri jong ka All Nihu Workers Union kila dawa pada ben ithu no yaki kum kinong tray bopura kat kum ki kendon jong ka an nakaliang jong ni Menteri Kesorkar Pedeng ulakular banra ikini jing dawa syak Kesorkar Pedeng ondaw lalit phai sya Delhi
Wakran snap. Hey, up. बात करेगा और बात करेंगे
जो आप लोग यहाँ काम कर रहे थे कंपनी जितनी ग्राउंड में नौकरी आप लोगों को वही वाले यही सब ग्रुप है
We are from Kafi Studio. The only purpose why we are here because we are demanding LP since the year, the 1980s till date, but ILP is not yet implemented. Why in the state of Manipur, as soon as the BJP came into power, overnight they implemented the ILP. But here in our state, till now, we are still waiting for the implementation of ILP. So this is why we are here. So
you want to implement
ILP permit, yes.
so they want
Organization of casual workers. We've been working more than 40
We have been
but no
working
progress
here.
till today.
your organization you all are demanding implementation of ILP
No, sir. Regulation of casual workers.
सर मेरा बात सुन लीजिए
रुको हो गया ना आपसे दीदी थोड़ा सारे लोगों को बात करने दो
Only we want regulation of casual workers in Brussels. Many of us are working more than 10 years. No regulation till date.
this is the third issue
Now we are facing
no I got the point you are the casual worker
Yes, sir.
and they are the compensatory ground they are
all
asking
of
them
compassionate also
okay I got the point this is another issue
Yes,
you
this is a
all
separate
are
issue.
asking
We are
for
demanding this
implementation of ILP
implementation of ILP in our state immediately.
what's your name
My name is Pertimalang Samir.
thank you let I will convey your sentiment thank you let me
Hadian bagi layu jintep ba nan kandan the conversation hang po school ba ni hu. But hadian ba layu jintep ba Union Minister of Education Sri Dharmendra Pradhan Sawan Bangri si kini ka occasion hapo ni hu. Dan nakakadaw na kaliang jungi kong kaseng naka-organizing committee jong kaseng kumbang itep nakapor sa kapor ni judawa ya ka jing pentrekam mardor ya ki inaline permit lan ni ka ILP hapo ka jela ka jungi ndrei kumbang ipausay bat nilap tengkeren baka sorkar jela kumjo ka sorkar kemir haduk menta wat lada ka sorkar jela jungi ka lapas ka resolution lemba ka house ndrei haduk menta ngimpat i ya kidak kisien iba ka sorkar kemir lan ni ka sorkar pedeng ke manang tina po Delhi hapo jong ka jengelam jong ka BJP bahkan simkhia ban pun urlong ya kini gimat dawa jong hamta me ka ILP ko mangekran dekum ta akum kadak mat sngau sya ka sorkar BJP bat sa kinoelam jong ka daga jengwan jong Union Minister mentak ski ngla syem kini ka kabu hakaba ngi lara iki plakat bat ngla perta iki slogans bat hagajo kopor ngi sultanat nginayo ikran marhamat sa Union Minister hakaba uang ba Smotu ya sentiment kini ki pat riulum hakan ni jela ka jungi bat long pon sarai kini kubur bat ingat skam bat tanom dei ka kai ka ba long lamner ani ka bam ka ban syukut no tang ha ka jungi kran dei ingat skam ba kani ka jung kular ka jungu pon ra kini kubur bat ba unsyum ya ka sentiments ya ka jung snow jungi ki pat riulum jong ni ka jela ka jungi kalong ka ba sai so bat ni kermen skam ba jing dawa ya ka ilpi kinai sawajam hamanla ki jaka hamanla ki kentot bat kidong jong kabri nyo trap ingat jam ba pai baru kini snok tilang bat kam dar tatien sisin kasngi ni insayo ban tek ni so jong kejong